Hey everyone, welcome back to day number 18 of the LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. Day 18, not too many more days to go. So, day number 18, I was really lucky with the Avengers one. I guess there was minifig, and it was. This is not an actual building item, so I want to say it's another minifig for Harry Potter. Ha! I'm pretty sure that's Ron. Or is that Hermione? You know, I can't tell. I want to say it's Ron. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it is Hermione. I can neither confirm nor deny who it is. Based on the hair, I want to say Hermione. So I'm going to run with that. Stick around and I will put Ron / Hermione together.